Good morning, fellow billionaires. This is Silver 5150 with your morning update on Wednesday, May the 20th, 2020. Here we have a couple of offerings from the Royal Canadian Mint. The 2020 Kraken, which you guys are more than familiar with, is one of the new hot coins out there. 2 ounces, this coin is, and it's a BU from the Royal Canadian Mint, and it's still available for around $45. Not sure if that's a bargain or what, but in this day and age of crazy premiums, we just try to find value wherever we can. And for 2 ounces of 49 silver minted sovereign, you know, you just you can't beat it, but you got to avoid those taxes and shipping, right? And here we have a blast from the past. It is a proof Royal Canadian Mint 2020 woolly mammoth. And this here is one of the special offerings out of the Royal Canadian Mint. They have a ton of them, and I think tonight we're going to focus on some of these items that are out there that you may or may not get fleeced on. But I think it's fascinating that the Royal Canadian Mint has so many things that they offer, and a ton of items like this that they try to retail anywhere from $69 to $99, maybe even higher, versus the regular BU stuff, which I think actually looks just as nice. But it's a matter of opinion. Right now, markets aren't doing too bad, and it's nothing unusual. The jawboning from the Federal Reserve and the Treasury, a daily jawboning, these guys, trying to keep the markets propped up, and so as a result, stocks and metals are doing exactly what you expect. But stocks right now, they're enjoying a 1.5% increase right now on the way to the market open as a result of that, and so they're hanging out there. And they plan on putting on some gains today. The opposite side of the coin, no pun intended, are going to be metals, which looks like gold and silver are going to be held in check today. They're going to have to fight their way upward if they want to continue to move upward, whereas stocks are getting a boost from all of the promises of Fed support. Now, at some point, they're going to have to, the Fed and the Treasury, deliver the goods. You can sit there and you can talk tough about all of this stimulus and all of the money you plan on spending, but at some point you have to deliver the goods. So we'll see how they end up the week, whether they're going to continue with just talk or actually have some kind of comprehensive plan in place to get people the much needed stimulus that the Fed Chair, Jerome Powell, on 60 Minutes Sunday night agreed has to be done. And I agree at this point. It's pretty much the cat's out of the bag and they need to get on it. All right. So stocks will do their thing today. I think they're going to get a lift from the jawboning. Metals are going to have to fight their way up. The other metals are doing pretty good. Palladium and platinum and even copper are getting into the green right now. And it looks like they're going to put in some gains today, so we'll keep an eye on them. Oil is flat right now at around $31 a barrel, so we don't expect too many changes there. All right. But we'll just go ahead and we'll continue to monitor throughout the day. If anything crazy happens, of course, we will get on the channels and we will inform and we will talk and we will chat about all that stuff. I really like this coin here, the Kraken. It's just a good beefy coin, nice and thick, and the good 4/9 refinement is also very nice. So tonight, it looks like we're going to go ahead and dig into the Royal Canadian Mint and see, all the crazy things they have to offer. We're going to talk about, the proof-like things, the proof items, the BU items and stuff, and if you're going to shop Royal Canadian Mint, what to buy and what to avoid. And we'll probably take a quick look at some of the future endeavors that silver is going to be instrumental in and see, what we want to do as far as projecting out and how we want to spend and, be engaged in the new economy. I think it's going to be a new sci-fi economy. We'll talk a little bit about that. All right, guys, nice and short this morning, but go out, take on the day, keep up your cellular immunity. All right, and I will be in contact if anything unusual happens, but I think it's going to be a nice, quiet day. And until then, I will see you tonight with the evening show. All right, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you this evening with the evening show. Ed Sullivan used to like to say the evening show. All right, guys, have a great Wednesday, and we'll see you tonight.